Samplers are a lot of fun, and they're useful too, but creating your own sounds can be daunting at first. Most of those fantastic sound libraries that come with the expensive software on your computer were created from samples. But what if you can't find the right texture to take your piece to the next level? In this series, we'll give you a frustration-free crash course in making some brand new sounds to freshen up your library. So what can you sample? Well, you can sample anything. All you need is a single microphone or line in and anything that makes a sound. For example, perhaps you have an old electric piano or keyboard you used to use live, but you don't want to lug it around anymore. You can sample all your favorite sounds and use them live with only your MIDI controller and your laptop. Or maybe you're not the best trumpet player, but you probably know someone who is. Have them come and play a few notes at different velocities and pitches and place the recordings into a sampler. Now you've got an excellent trumpet player you can use anytime, and your friend can save the trip. Finally, maybe you want to emulate a sound or other sonic clip from one of your favorite movies or tunes. You could spend hours in a DAW editing sounds and effects to approximate it, or you could just sample the real thing and save yourself the legwork. The possibilities for the use of sampled sounds are practically endless. From hip-hop to country, sampling is used everywhere in every genre and in sound design for video games and movies too. Experiment with using sampling in your next project and see how you can add to your sound library using the instruments and objects you have around you. As a Berklee faculty member, you have several options to sample with. For this video series, we're going to be focusing on Reason's NNXT Advanced Sampler, Logic's EXS24 Sampler, and Contact. We'll also be editing our audio using Audacity.